The Vampire Diaries is back. This time I am at Naibor. And I'm here to see the Naibor Ilpolei Road. This is Laikipia County, Laikipia North constituency. And this contract was given to a contractor called Shibili Enterprises. Alipewa hii contract ya kujenga hii barabara ya Naibor to Ilpolei at a cost of 596 million. That's about 600 million. And he was supposed to complete it after 2 years. So ilikuwa inafaa iishe by 2023 last year. It is 1 year down the line. And we just want to come and see whether the road was actually done. The owners wa hiyo kampuni ambayo inaitwa Shibili Enterprises is the Guleid brothers. The Guleid brothers, mmoja anaitwa Hussein Guleid Abdile, mwingine anaitwa Abdullahi Hassan Guleid. 600 million, Naibor Ilpolei Road. Let's go and see it. This is a signpost going to Doldol. I'm at the Naibor Ilpolei Road. This is 600 million. Let's see the condition of the road, whether it was done or it was never done. Laikipia County. Kuja tuone barabara. So the road is here. Barabara ndio hii. Si mambo ya kuongea sana, ni mambo ya kujionea. But of course, before you go to the road, let me show you this. It was being done by Kera, so there is already some money for routine maintenance. Previously, it is being funded by the fuel levy fund. Wakati unanunua mafuta wewe kama Mkenya, anytime you go to the petrol station ukilipa mafuta, inaenda kwa fuel levy fund. It was being done by the Ministry of Transport and Infrastructure, where Davis Chirchir is now the cabinet secretary. Before him, it was Kipchumba Murkomen. This is the Naibor Ilpolei Road. The contract number is Kera/08/39/58/2020/2021. So you can see this is 2024, and you can see in your financial year 2020-2021. And here is the road. It was never done completely. Hii barabara hata wananchi walifanya maandamano. But as you know, the government inadharau sana maandamano na wananchi. Bas, Naibor Ilpolei Road. Contract sum 600 million. Vampire Diaries is back like it never left.
The long-awaited construction of Nanyuki Doldol Road has commenced after the government committed 600 million shillings for the first phase of the road. The tarmacking to bitumen standard will be done from Naibor to Ilpolei, a distance of 15 kilometers, and will take 24 months to complete.
The construction of the Nanyuki Doldol Road to bitumen standards has commenced following the allocation of 600 million shillings for the first phase of Naibor to Ilpolei. The 15-kilometer road is part of a promise made by President Uhuru Kenyatta during his tour of the area during his campaign, and is said to be completed in 2 years.
We will spot improve and routinely improve so that you can have a all-weather road all the way to Doldol and beyond. Even some of the networks within this region, which are important links, they are going to be done under that spot improvement so that we can have a all-weather road so that you can access anywhere, even if it is raining.
The road is key as it is set to open the region to other areas and improving trade.
For the longest time I can remember, this road has been a nightmare. In 2015, an ambulance was swept off by floods carrying a nurse, a driver, and a woman who was delivering. And to date, we've not even ever recovered their bodies. So to me, this road means everything.
After completion, the contractor will have to maintain it for 7 years to make sure that it is up to standard. Nancy Okware, Lunchtime News.